It's me. Hi, hello. Remember Kiropi? My only friend still. 7 months later. I haven't posted in 7 months because school, you know. But today I went to my last class of the semester. I'm free, guys. Thanks. So a few days ago I got something in the mail that I am super excited about, and I've already cut it open, but I haven't looked inside yet. It's from Colorware and it's for my Switch and I want to use it. So let's just open it. This is not real bubble wrap. It doesn't pop. What is this? I don't want that. Okay, so I got two things. Let's just put this away. Not actually what they look like, obviously. Colorware is they're just a custom brand for your devices. I think they bought this from Nintendo, painted it, resealed it, sent it to the customer. Okay, let's just do it. I'm really excited. Okay, we have the Joy-Con accessory. Oh my god. I'm so excited to put this on my Switch. They're so pretty. Whoa, this feels, I don't know. It's very, very matte. This color is Jester Matte. The right Joy-Con is the color Cotton Candy. And then for the straps, I got the color Mint and the color Lemonade. And here are my Joy-Cons. They're so cute. Okay, let's put these down because we have one more box to open. I got a Pro Controller. Let's see. Oh, it comes with a cord, so that's nice. Oh my god. Wow. This is my first Pro Controller. Look at that. So the front part here is the color Mint. The handle parts are the color Lilac. The back is the color Lemonade. I also got engraving on it. It's just my username for everything, you know. It says I owe you one. Okay, so this, I put it on my Switch and it looks beautiful. Probably gonna go play some Mario now. Probably all summer. That's really all I wanted to do, was open it. So I guess that's it. If you want to order from Colorware as well and you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll be here. From me and Kiropi. See you next time. Bye guys.